friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to punch embroider. That's a different form of embroidery than what you may be used to. So let's grab our supplies and let's get started. For your supplies, you'll need some fabric with a noticeable weave like natural monk cloth, a strong embroidery hoop, yarn, and a punch needle. It can be hard to find the needle at most craft stores, so I purchased mine on Etsy. Start by sketching your image with a pencil. To thread your needle, use the threader provided with your needle. Feed it through the tip of the needle and pull through the bottom and the hole at the needle's tip. And start punching. Angle your needle down with the eye of the needle facing away from the direction you're working in. Push the needle all the way down, pull the end of the thread through the back, and pull out the needle just enough to feed to the next stitch. Push the needle all the way down, pull out enough for the next stitch, and so on. Be sure the yarn being fed through the needle is loose. If it's caught or too tight, it won't hold in the fabric. When you finish with your yarn, push your last stitch in completely and cut off the tail. Remove the needle, and you're all done.